Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to use SolidWorks 2025 well on it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and select New and click Part and click OK. Now go to Front Plane and Sketch. Now draw the rectangle from Sketch Tools and draw the center point rectangle from origin. Draw the now give the this line dimension vertical line 100 and horizontal line dimension 100. Now go to feature and extrude. Give the dimension 50. Okay. Now go to this plane and this plane sketch. Now draw the rectangle here again, center point rectangle. Now give the dimension, this line dimension 50 and this line dimension 50. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now give the extrude 70. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now select here plain white. Make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If you have any ask you can write comment box.